Hey, do you want to learn how to download Android app for Notion Mail on your smartphone? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So I've got this Android smartphone and I'm going to open up Chrome first because Notion Mail currently at the time of making this video, they don't have an official Android app. So what I'm going to do is go over to Chrome, open it up. Now we're going to open up mail.notion.so. And what you're going to see here is that it's going to prompt for you to use Notion Mail on desktop instead of using it on mobile because the apps are going to come soon. So what we're going to do is click on these three dots on your mobile Chrome browser. This on the top right, click on it. And on here, we need to switch to the desktop site, which is going to reload this page. And you should be able to use it on mobile. Even though everything looks really small, you should be able to use it on mobile now. So next, what we're going to do is install it as an app. So on the top, three dots, again, click on it. And then we're going to click on Add to Home Screen, which is going to show up this. Inside it, the first button is Install. We're going to click on Install and then click on Install again, which is going to install this as an app on your Android phone. So it says that the app is installed, and I'm going to go back to my main screen and move over here. I'm going to find this app is now installed. And if you're wondering what I'm currently using, why is everything black and white?
This is Zen Detox app on Play Store. You can find it on Play Store.
So let's click on this Mail web, and it's going to open up our Notion Mail app on our Android phone. Now, as you can see, it's completely usable. There's nothing wrong with it. You can completely use it. Take your two fingers and
Zoom in.
And take a look at all the things that you could do on Notion Mail web browser on your PC. So you can go inside these different mails as well, like this, and you can close them. So you can do everything that you could do in your Notion Mail web browser on your PC or laptop. So this is going to be a nice fix on how to get the app of Notion Mail installed on your Android phone till Notion gets their Android app ready. And that's it. That's how to download Android app for Notion Mail. This is just a fix. This is not the official app. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.